Hello and welcome everyone. I have a question for you guys. The question is, what are the benefits of self-studies? You can write the answer in the comment box. Now let us begin with exercise 1.2 rational numbers. So take your pen, notebook and stay connected with me till the end of the video. We are going to discuss every question and its solution very minutely. If you have not subscribed the channel, kindly subscribe the channel for more videos. So let us begin with the very first question. The very first question is here. Represent these numbers on the number line. The very first part is 7 by 4 and the second part is minus 5 upon 6. 7 by 4, that is the very first part. 7 by 4 means 7 times 1 upon 4, 1/4 7 times. What is the meaning of 1/4? That means the whole is divided in 4 equal parts, or you can say one part is selected out of 4 equal parts, and this is taken how many times? 7 times. So if we draw a number line, if I say this is the number line which I am drawing here, and on this number line we have to take the positive rational number, that is 7 by 4. So we can start 0 from the leftmost side. Then the first part is 1/4. Then second part is 2/4. Then 3/4. And 4 by 4 means 1. That is 1. 4 out of 4. So this is what 4 by 4, and it is 1. So this is, we can say, the 1 unit, that is from 0 to 1, has been divided in 4 equal parts. And we can see here this is the part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. Similarly, we have to continue further. 5 by 4. This is the 5 by 4. Then we have 6 by 4. Then we have 7 by 4. And then we have 8 by 4. 8 by 4 means 2. So each unit 0 to 1, 1 to 2 gets divided in 4 equal parts. It is saying 7 by 4, and we see that 7 by 4 is lying between 1 and 2, and this is the point 7 by 4, and we can name it as A. So A is representing 7 by 4 on the real number line. Similarly, in the second part here, we have to focus on the denominator, that is 6. So it can be written as minus 5 times 1 upon 6. So the whole 1 unit will get divided in 6 equal parts on the number line. Here 1 unit means a fixed length. You cannot compare it with 1 centimeter, 1 inch or any fixed units there. You can say that 1 unit is a fixed length on the number line. So here 1 to 6, we have to take the 6 equal parts from 0 to 1, and then we have to show 5 steps towards the left side. This minus sign is representing the 5 steps towards the left on the number line. So here we have a number line, and on this number line, as we have to represent a rational number, negative rational number, so you can start from the rightmost side and your 0 is here. Now the first part is 1 by 6. Then the second part will be 2 by 6. Then third will be 3 by 6. Fourth part 4 by 6, then 5 by 6, next we have 6 by 6. So this 6 by 6 is 1 on the number line, and this 1 is represented by 6 upon 6. So here we have the 6 equal parts of 1 unit, 0 to 1. And this is on the left side of the 0, so we can put minus sign with each number here. So minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 5 by 6, and minus 6 by 6, that is minus 1. On the number line on the left side of 0, we have all the negative numbers, we know that. So minus will be there with each number. Here we have to show minus 5 upon 6, and this is minus 5 upon 6 on the number line, and you can represent it by letter B. So this is how we focus on the denominator of the question, and accordingly we divide the unit on the number line as per the denominator given to us. I hope very minutely I have explained how to represent numbers, rational numbers on the number line. Now next question is here, represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 9 by 11 on the number line. So here we have the same denominator, that is 11, and we have the different numerators. So each rational number is to be represented on the number line, and we have the negative numerator in each case. So first we are going to draw a number line on which we have to take 11 equal parts of each unit. So we have the negative rational number, so we are going to start from the rightmost side, that is 0. The first part will be minus 1 upon 11. So this is minus 1 upon 11. Then we have minus 2 upon 11, minus 3 upon 11. Then we have minus 4 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11. Then we have minus 6 by 11. Then we have minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11. Then we have minus 9 by 11, minus 10 by 11, and finally we got here minus 11 by 11, that is 1, minus 1. So minus 11 by 11 is nothing but minus 1. So you can see here 0 to minus 1, the whole unit got divided in 11 equal parts. So here we have the 11 parts of the 1 unit on the number line, and we are supposed to show minus 2 by 11. So this is minus 2 by 11 A. Then we have the B part, that is minus 5 upon 11. This is your B. Point B represent minus 5 by 11. Then we have minus 9 by 11. So C is representing minus 9 by 11 on the number line. So this is how we represent the rational numbers on the number line. If you have any doubt, you can write the question or your doubt in comment box. Now we have the next question, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So 2 is a natural number, or you can say a whole number, and all natural and whole numbers are rational numbers. So because 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. So this is a natural number also. We are supposed to write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. On the number line, the numbers towards left side we have a smaller number than 2, and on the right side we have larger number. So any 5 rational numbers on the number line you can write. So this is the number line, and you have 0, 1, 2. So on the left side we have the smaller value, and on the right side of the 2 we have larger value. So any number on the left side you can choose to write your answer. So here we can write any 5 rational number that you can say 1, 0, -1, -2, -3. So these are the integers, but all integers are the rational number because we can take the denominator as 1. Apart from this answer, you can take other denominators as well. You can write 1 by 4, you can write 0 by 4, -1 by 4, -2 by 4, -3 by 4. So any number in the denominator you can take to make it in the form of p by q. So I hope the answer is quite clear to you all, guys. Now next we have find 10 rational numbers between -2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. So we are supposed to calculate 10 rational numbers. So here we have -2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So denominators are not equal, so we can take the equivalent of each number. We can make the denominators equal. So we know that the LCM is 10 here, so 5 can be converted into 10 by multiplying with 2, and as well numerator will be also multiplied with 2. So it can be written as 2 minus 2 times 2 upon 5 times 2, and 1 by 2 can be multiplied with 5 upon 5, so that we can have the same denominator. So here we get -4 by 10, and then we get 5 by 10. Now we have the same denominator in both the numbers. So -4 by 10 is equivalent to -2 by 5, and 1 by 2 is equivalent to 5 by 10. So we are supposed to find 10 rational numbers between these two, and we see that we can have -3 by 10, -2 by 10, -1 by 10, then 0 by 10, or 0, 1 by 10. These are the numbers. But from -3 to 4, we don't have total 10 numbers. So we can further multiply it, or we can make it twice. Okay. So next what we need to do, we can make -4 by 10 twice. So here we have 2 times -4, that is -8, and then 10 2 times will be 20. So this is equivalent to this. And here we have 5 2 times, that is 10, and 10 2 times will be 20. So we have 10 upon 20. Now the enough numbers are between -8 and 10, and we are supposed to find 10 rational numbers. So with denominator 20 we can find there. So here we have the numbers from -7 upon 20, then -6 upon 20, and all the numbers till 9 upon 20 will be lying between minus 4 upon 10, minus 8 upon 20 and 10 upon 20. So any 10 numbers out of these numbers you can write as your answer. So this is how we find the equivalent of each given rational number, and then we find the number of required rational numbers between the two. I hope the question is quite clear. Now next question is find rational numbers between 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So again the concept of equivalency or equivalent rational numbers, we will find 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So here the LCM of 3 and 5 we have 15. So 2 by 3 will be multiplied with 5 upon 5, so that we can get 10 upon 15 here, and 4 upon 5 can be multiplied with 3 by 3, so that we can get the equivalent of 4 by 5. So this is 12 upon 15, but we see that the denominators are equal, but the numbers between 10 and 12, we don't have 5 numbers, we have only 11 between 10 and 12 with the same denominator 15. We won't be able to write the numbers. Yeah, if you change your denominator, then definitely you can find 5 rational numbers, but you need to have more gaps between the numerator to find out the 5 rational number here. So you can make it 10 times or 20 times or 5 times to get the equivalent rational number. So you multiply 10 upon 15 by 10, and it will be 100 upon 150. So this 100 upon 150 is equal to 2 by 3, and we have 12 upon 15 multiplied with 10 by 10. So we have got the equivalent here, that is 120 upon 150. So now any 5 rational numbers between 100 and 120 with denominator 150 we can write. So it's 101 upon 150, 102 upon 150, 103, 4, 5, any number you can write here. Then you have 110, any 5 rational numbers between 100 and 120 with denominator 150 you can write, and this is 115 upon 150. So this is what we have got the answer here, the 5 rational numbers between the given two numbers. Similarly, we can solve the second part here, minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3. We can find the LCM of the denominator, and then we can find the equivalent of each, and similarly we will get the 5 rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. Now next question number 6 is write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. So all the numbers written on the right side of the minus 2 is larger, and with any denominator you can write those numbers. So 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2 can be minus 1 upon 5, any denominator of your choice you can consider, minus 1 upon 5, 0 upon 5, 1 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5. If you want to take any other number in the denominator you can take, and there are infinite countless numbers on the right side of minus 2. So of your choice you can take any 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Question number 7 is asking find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So here we have the different denominators. So equivalent of 3 upon 5, as we see that 5 4 has the LCM 20, so we can find the equivalent of 3 upon 5 by multiplying it with 4. So it will be 12 upon 20, and then we multiply 3 upon 4 with 5 by 5. So we have 15 upon 20. Now both the numbers 12 upon 20 and 15 upon 20, we have only in between 13 and 14, but we are supposed to find 10 rational numbers, so we can make it 10 times again. So 12 upon 20 can be written as 10 upon 10. It's 120 upon 200. So it's 120 upon 200. That's an equivalent rational number to 3 by 5. And 15 upon 20 can be also multiplied with 10 upon 10, and we receive here 150 upon 200. So now we have enough numbers in between 120 and 150, or any 5 numbers between 120 and 150 with denominator 200 can be written as the answer, and we require 10 rational numbers. So here we can write 121 upon 200, 122 upon 200, and so on. We can write here the 10 rational numbers till 149 upon 200. Any 10 numbers you can write. So this is how we solve the question to find the rational number between the given two rational number. Now, thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.